If you work with spreadsheets, Excel is your go-to application. What can't you do with Excel? But with so many powerful features, it's hard to keep track of all of them. So here's a reminder of one you might find very helpful. The Smart Lookup feature. If you need to research something in a particular cell, simply right-click and select Smart Lookup. Excel will then launch the Bing search engine, allowing you to search the web for what's in the cell. That includes anything from definitions, Wikipedia entries, the rate of inflation, export statistics, or other financial data. With constant updates and improved AI, Smart Lookup's ability to give you the information you need keeps on improving over time. To learn more about the unique features of Microsoft 365, get in touch today.